Hello everyone, Isaac Flex here from TMA. I'm actually coming at you from our headquarters here in Schaumburg, Illinois. It's my first time doing a video and I wanted to do this on a couple of reasons. I was sort of reminiscing of the past 2 months and how much of a roller coaster and journey we've been on here as an association, navigating the many changes that have come about for our manufacturing members. And when I think about all the TMA staff who have been spending quite a bit of time reaching out through phone calls, emails, to make sure our members are hearing from their association and that we are fielding any and all requests. And it's really been neat to see the way that the members and the TMA staff are working together. And the feedback from members has been really encouraging to know that we are making a difference. And it made me think about perhaps, we have 1,000 members here in Chicagoland, but I know there's a lot more that perhaps need a community and a group to be able to talk with. TMA has been very responsive to changes and been on the cutting edge. And so perhaps I might ask you if there's a manufacturer in your circles that you think might gain value from TMA. Please don't hesitate to introduce me to them. You can do that through LinkedIn here, or you could put that on Facebook, or you could put it on my email, which is iflex@tmaillinois.org. I really believe this is our finest hour as an association and as a manufacturing community, and I want to encourage you that the TMA staff and myself are here for you. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or any comments you might have. Again, stay safe and manufacture on.